I'm going to show you how I use Google AI Studio to vibe code a website in 10 minutes. For this video, let's say I need a website for my candle making business. Now, the quickest way to do this is to just type in, I want a website for my candle company, but I'm going to show you a few extra steps that can make it more personalized to your brand or aesthetic. Start by opening Google AI Studio and clicking on Playground. This is AI Studio's chat feature, and you can use it to brainstorm the structure and visual direction of your site. Instead of trying to describe my brand's aesthetic, I compiled some inspiration images into a mood board, and I'm going to ask it to analyze it and define the visual direction. I'm speeding up this portion so we can get to the outcome. I like how it described it as bright and airy. That tells me it understood the references. Now, moving to step 2, I asked it to generate a write-up for a wireframe based on that exact visual direction. A wireframe is a website's blueprint. It outlines the sections and content. Now that we have the visual direction and structure, we're going to have AI Studio write a prompt to build the working site. I'll show you how to add your own images later. Now it's time to create the actual site. So we need to copy that prompt we just generated, switch over to build mode, and then just paste in the prompt, attach the mood board for visual reference, and hit enter to let AI Studio do its thing. Now we have a working site, but I want to add my own product images. To do that, switch from preview mode over to code. I compiled all the images I want to use into a folder titled images, and I'm going to drag it into this section. This is where the website's raw ingredients live, so now I can just type in replace these images with the ones in the folder titled images, and now it'll know to pull those and use it to populate the site. And we're done. Let's open up the full screen preview. There it is, a completely custom website built step by step with Google AI Studio, and it only took 10 minutes. Now to publish this, you'll just have to set up a billing account, and there are more steps to add a custom domain, which we'll explain in another video. There's also some resources on this topic in the description of this video. For when you're not ready to publish but you still want to share the project with people, just click share and then default to full screen. That'll make sure the chat window is hidden when people open the link. So that's how I vibe code a website in AI Studio. Give it a try.